When conflict is high between parents, children are left with many wounds. Children frequently feel that they have failed or done something wrong when conflicts occur, and feel even more insecure when they can't prevent them.
Children experiencing intense conflict have to take sides. They can't manage the internal tension and anxiety that they feel.
Kids with ADHD or autism want to be independent. Try Goalie, the visual scheduler that guides them through routines so you don't have to. Goalie, reinventing routines.
For these children, there's a risk of serious psychological regression, where they see one parent as mostly bad and the other parent as mostly good. This is damaging to children because it gives them an unbalanced view of good and bad. In my experience, such black and white thinking is destructive because it produces an inaccurate view of people and relationships. Children are likely to express their emotional wounds in a variety of ways. They might experience regression or act in ways that are more typical for a child younger than they are. Some examples of regression would be bedwetting, temper tantrums, clinging to you, or wanting to sleep in your bed at night. Your children may exhibit external symptoms, such as aggression, rebelliousness, fighting with their friends, or outbursts at school. Some internal symptoms in children may include withdrawal, depression, anxiety, embarrassment, insecurity, or they may be reluctant to express affection. It's important for you to recognize that both your obvious and not so obvious behaviors are likely to pressure your children and cause them to feel a particular way. Here are some steps you can take to reduce unnecessary conflicts for your children.
For families living with ADHD or autism, preventing meltdowns is everything. Goalie reduces stress by enabling kids to complete routines independently. Goalie, reinventing routines.
Watch your children for signs of the emotional wounds we discussed previously. Recognize and take responsibility for your own role in any conflicts with your ex-spouse. Try to improve your communication with the other parent and with your children. Reduce your own role in the conflict by not participating in it. When you want something, ask rather than demand. It's important to have an attitude of saying yes to a request from your ex-spouse rather than saying no. Finally, remember that your child is going to have trouble transitioning back into your home from the other parent's home. Try to develop a routine that will help reduce that struggle and make it more comfortable for your child.